Infinite banking is a strategy, banking on yourself, being your own bank. So you use this for anything that you can borrow from yourself, and maybe you can use it for your business, or you can loan for yourself for investment. So you use it on your permanent life insurance, and ultimately the cash will grow there, and you can use it in liquid and it will be tax-free. So that's the great advantage of using infinite banking strategy. Let me tell you how to illustrate and use your infinite banking. When you use infinite banking, probably you're going to use it for your business, for your real estate investment, and you want to contribute maybe about 100,000 for 5 years. Let's say 100,000 for 5 years, and after a year you want to borrow from it. Once you borrow from it, you can borrow about up to 90% so that you can have your policy intact. But let's just say you borrow from it 50,000, you put it in your business. The money, which is what you call participating loan, and it will keep on growing interest as if you did not borrow, right? So once you borrow from it and you use it for your business, and then once you put it back, you're earning about 6%. If it's a whole life, 5%. And then it will continue to grow. Then it will keep on cycling year after year as you repeat the cycle. When you do infinite banking and you are already using it for your investment, for your business, eventually you will grow your wealth after some time, and you can actually use infinite banking for your retirement. And once you accrue that enough cash value, maybe $1 million, you can allocate that money for your retirement, and year after year you will take advantage of that tax-free income. So that's the great part of that. After all those years that you've been working, you can actually accrue that and you can have a tax-free income in the future. The advantage of infinite banking, because it is a life insurance policy, it has an advantage of having a protection on the side. And some insurance have an allocation rider for what they call living benefits. And if you get sick and you have a heart attack, stroke, cancer, ADLS, chronic sickness, and even terminal illness, you can use part of your death benefit or your face amount towards that allocation, towards that funding. And life insurance can give you a lump sum of portion of that money for your recovery. So that's the great part of that. Aside from using it for your business, using it for your investments, infinite banking will give you that protection for yourself and your family. Is infinite banking right for you? So this is a concept or strategy that is not for everyone, because it's a strategy that needs to get a grasp of that concept and get a grasp on that, how to leverage their debt and how to practically use that strategy along the way as you use that for your business or your investment. And also very important is how the infinite banking illustration or plan was strategized. So you have to be considerate on that, and you want to make sure that when you do infinite banking, you have to fund it well, and you have to fund it in the maximum level. Some say maybe it's at 5,000 to 10,000 a month. It depends on your goal. Some can be like $1,000 a month. Depends how well you're off. And it's a great thing also if you can fund it well. It's really an advantage for you, because life insurance have this protection from the IRS. You can use that cash value for your retirement or anything that you need for your business. And that's a great thing with using your money from infinite banking, is because you can use it in liquid and tax-free. And as you borrow from, you will watch your money grow, and ultimately you can have it for your future.